Hello people, I am in my friend's car and I'm going to do an unboxing of this Rubik's Cube I bought for $1 at Target for no reason. Okay, can you hold this, my friend? My good friend? Oh wait, no, actually, let's do it like this actually.
Okay.
It makes everything look better. Oh, what's this?
No.
Sorry about that. Okay. Finally. This is my friend from the cooking show too. The really weird video that I made. Okay, can you hold this again? It turns pretty smooth actually. Whoa, it's pretty good. I guess it's pretty stiff, but for $1 cube, it's good. And I think I mixed it up. Anyway,
Here, let me mix it up so you can solve it.
It's okay.
So you can watch it.
And they've seen me solve Rubik's Cube. Haven't you seen that video? There. There is no white. I think this is white. No, purple's white. There's checkerboard. Let's make some checkerboard patterns. I could actually do finger tricks on this. My friend bought one too. And checkerboard. And they all. Are you even looking at me?
Yeah, I just can't find my Rubik's Cube.
Whatever. You don't have to show it to the camera. And I also bought some gum. See, some gum. But the whole packet is in my backpack. I just opened one because I'm hungry for some gum. It's okay. It's okay.
Fine.
Okay, so yeah, this is the Rubik's Cube from Target. There's another one that's hearts, but I do not want that. I'd rather get this with these little themes. And yeah, I'm gonna do one more checkerboard and then I'm gonna leave. Goes like this, yeah. As you see here, that's pretty cool. Now let me put it back. How did I do that again? Oh yeah. Okay, I'll do it this way then. I did another one. I meant to see like two full sides and then this. So, this Rubik's Cube is very good. I could even do like very good finger tricks. How's my Rubik's Cube? Unboxing. I don't even think this has a name. Does it? I see the wrapper.
It is called Puzzle Cube.
Oh, wrong one. I put my gum wrapper.
It's a bunch of Rubik's Cube fake icon.
Okay. What is it? Yeah, go. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, blah blah rant, blah 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 blah. Rate, comment, subscribe. There we go. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I can take it out. Bye.